Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Few weeks back I was going out and I filmed this get ready with me for you guys. I used all drugstore products and created this look where I kept the eyes very simple and lips very bold. So let's get started. First I'm spritzing my Pixie makeup mist all over my face for some extra layer of hydration. And on top of that, I'm going to use my NYX Angel Well Blur Primer, focusing mainly on the centers of my face and blending outwards. I love this primer and I cannot do my makeup without it these days. For foundation, I'm using my CoverGirl Matte Matte Foundation in the shade T60. I always try to use as little bit of foundation as I can. So first, I'm distributing it across my face, and before I start blending it out, I'm going to spritz my damp sponge with some more of that Pixie setting spray. That way I can sheer out the foundation and make it look skin-like as much as possible. For concealer, I'm using the combo of two concealers. One is the Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel, whereas the other one is the Age Rewind concealer in the shade Medium. I absolutely love this concoction because the caramel one is closer to my skin tone and it cancels out all the darkness, whereas the Age Rewind concealer is few shades lighter, so I'm using that mainly to highlight underneath my eyes. And then for bronzer, I'm taking this Pixie Contour palette and I chose the shade which is not very cool tone at the same time which is not very warm tone. This is like the perfect shade because it contours my cheekbones and at the same time adds some warmth to my face. And I'm also going to take that on my jawline and hug the sides of my nose just to, add some dimension there. And to set the concealer in place, I'm taking the Essence Banana Brighten Up Powder. This is such a nice dupe for the Kat Von D Banana Powder because it instantly brightens underneath my eyes. It sets the concealer and it is very affordable. And I'm also going to use that powder to clean up slightly underneath the contour as well. And then for blush, I'm taking my favorite Essence Satin Touch blush in the shade Satin Coral. And I'm slightly hugging my cheeks with this very light blush application. I didn't want to apply too much because I was going with a very bold lip color. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that blush onto my nose just to add that sun-kissed glow. I'm going to use the same contour palette I used for my cheeks. And I'm going to apply that on my crease, just to add some dimension to my eyes. And I'm taking my NYX Jumbo eyeliner. This is in the shade Brown. And I'm applying that very close to my upper lash line and to my lower lash line as well before I go in with a pencil brush and, smudge the eyeliner out. I'm just, going for a slight smoky eye without having to do a lot. Then I'm going to go back into that contour palette and pick up the highlighter from that palette. This is like a nice champagne gold color and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. And I'm also making sure that both the eyes are looking similar. Then I'm going to use some more of that NYX Jumbo eyeliner and I'm going to slightly go over very close to my lash line just to add some extra dimension because I felt like it was needed. And then for lashes, I'm using Ardell Wispies. Securing the edges of the eyelashes. Then for highlight, I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. And I'm making sure that I'm not applying the highlighter on my huge pimple right there because you don't want to highlight those. So I'm being very careful to avoid that. For lips, I'm taking my L'Oreal Liquid Lipstick. This is the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade, I believe True Blood, I don't remember, but I'm going to leave a link to everything that I'm using in the description box down below. First, I'm slightly lining my lips with this and then I'm also filling in with it. Then on top, I'm using the shade Matador, the same L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, but this is in the shade Matador. And I'm going to concentrate this mainly on the centers just to create that nice ombre effect. And that finishes the makeup. For hair, I had already curled it the day before, so I'm just, setting it in place just so that my curls would show up in the front, adjusting it so it would look the way I want it to. Then for earrings, I went in with these drop earrings that I got from Shein. I just love anything that remotely resembles pearls. So yeah, that finishes this get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.